goodbye to any pain in your body with this. Over the years, our body is suffering from wear and tear that seems irreversible. We no longer have strength and energy, many things start to hurt us, and so on. One of the most common problems in the elderly is joint pain. Especially the knees, usually suffer more than any of our joints, since when we walk, we mistreat. In this article we bring you the solution for this and other similar evils. According to experts, joint pains can have several origins. Among them, we can emphasize the bad posture that, slowly, is causing us severe damages. As a result, it is very likely that in the future we will have complications in our bone system. As doctors say, there is no disease that has no cure if it is treated on time. That's why we cannot sit idly by any sign of bone complications. It is for this reason that in this article we want to bring you a practical and simple solution to your joint problems. Below we leave you a prescription that will cure you of the pains in the joints. What we will need: raisins 3 tablespoons, pumpkin seeds 40 grams, gelatin without flavor 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 4 tablespoons, honey 200 grams, flaxseed 8 tablespoons. Preparation and use: this remedy is extremely simple. All you have to do is pick up a blender and mix all the ingredients. When you get a homogeneous substance, you put it in a glass jar and refrigerate it. From this powerful syrup you should take 1 tablespoon 2 times a day, before breakfast and lunch every day. With the passage of time, you will notice how your tendons and ligaments regain their elasticity and strength. In addition, your bones and joints will feel like new, and even your metabolism will improve. Do not continue suffering from poor bone health. Prepare this remedy today and you will not regret it. If you know someone who suffers from this evil, do not fall. Share this article on your social networks. Thus, others can take advantage of this information and, indirectly, help them to have a better